Hello everybody, this is the first video made during the second lockdown. We're going to discuss 78 on page 165. Jolene lights a candle that is 40 centimeters long. The candle burns at a rate of 5 centimeters per hour. The formula, length, L, starts at 40 and we subtract 5 times A from it because 5 stands for the amount of centimeters. The candle goes down and A stands for hour, so per hour. This can be used to calculate the length of the candle. A represents the hours the candles burn. For A equals 2, the length will become, let's see, A equals 2, the length will become 40, and we subtract from it 5 centimeters times 2. 40 minus 10 gives you 30 centimeters long will the candle be after 2 hours. Now, let's fill in the table, copy the table. A in the first row, L second, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the numbers that are given. If you don't light up the candle yet, no hour hasn't passed, the candle will be 40. You can also check this by filling in A is 0. You get 40 minus 5 times 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 40 minus 0 becomes 40. Now, 2, we already found that answer. That will be 30. And for 4, you can see the pattern here. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. The pattern is every time minus 10. So we get 20, 10, and then after 8 hours, the candle is finished. We get 0. And then I actually already said it. Why does the table end at A is 8? Answer this question first by pausing the video. A equals 8. The table ends at A is 8 because then the candle burned completely. Yeah? Now, complete the table points. We got the table points. So let's look here. I'm just going to write this down here. 0, 40. That was the first point. Second point, 2, 30. That means on the x-axis, we move 2 to the right and 30 up. We get 4, 20. We get 6, 10. And we get 8, 0. That's what they mean with complete the table points. Then we go to D, finally, the graph. I don't have enough space for this, so I'll use the other page. I'll just bring this up here so we can still have the table with us. Let's see. All right. So we copy what we have in the books. Let's copy that. We draw the vertical line. We draw our horizontal line. You put in the numbers, use the book, 0. You can also do without the books. You know you need 8 hours, so horizontal 9 over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the hours. And then up here, we can use steps of 10 or steps of 5. In the book, they use 2 centimeters for 10, but we're not going to do that. You can't do that. It doesn't really matter. So you get 10, 20, 30, 40. You can even write 50. It's all right. Now, over here we have the L, which means length in centimeters. Well, if you don't lit the candle, it's 0. It is 40. Then 2 centimeters. Let's look at the table. It was 30. For 4, you get 20. For 6, you get 10. And for 8, you get 0. Remember, we already talked about this in class. 2 points are enough to draw a straight line. You know when you have to draw a straight line, when the steps in the table are the same every time. So in this case, it is minus 10. Now, 2 points were already enough. You see that it still is a beautiful graph with your ruler. This was question D, and therefore we finished question 78. We finished exercise 78.